Looks okay. Let's try to run the app. Well, this is it. Cricket prediction application done through RStudio using Shiny app libraries. Pretty simple controls over here. It kind of predicts the win-loss probabilities based on city, toss name, and weekdays. For example, let's take Saturday and maybe pick Delhi Daredevils. It's a loss probability of 60, win probability of 40. It's kind of changing. So it's based upon the past data. It's trying to make some probability based estimations on win loss. You can also choose, let's take Bangalore. Again, win loss probability based on city. Let's take Rajasthan Royals, maybe city Jaipur. Loss win probability is 60-40. Jaipur doesn't seem to be a good ground for Rajasthan Royals, but let's see how it flips. But okay, include city Jaipur. It does flip to 70%, close to 70% if they have taken fielding as their toss win option. Batting seems to be really bad in Jaipur for Rajasthan Royals. So it's all based on past data. And then I've got some kind of descriptive analytics here. Right? They have scored minimum run scored, strike rate, W rate, caught rate, so on and so forth. And then there is little prediction. Oh, what is this object K not found? This needs to be fixed. Geom segment, it says inherit. Yes. I think we can. Let's try to remove this and see. Reload. Save selected. Okay. Yeah, it does come. So this is basically kind of prediction. Like for example, 13th over, right? So for Kolkata Knight Riders, 98 is the score, 106, and they can go up to 153. It's all based on past data again. Right, I just wanted to show a little prescription type of graph in here. Where's Jaipur? Jaipur here. See, so there's a lot of wins when people have taken fielding as their toss option. And so that's why it is showing as bowling pitch. So this is kind of a prescriptive graph on what type of pitch they are batting or bowling on. Hello everyone, that was Bhaskar Namile toying around decision trees and multivariate regression models in building a demo app. Why did Rajasthan Royals choose batting in Jaipur in first place when it knew or maybe didn't knew that it was a bowling field? The point is models like this kind of uh, provide a lot of insights in improving players' performance and aiding organizers and stakeholders at large to do better, right? And especially if they are applied in more meaningful situations, like maybe in agriculture for crop production and maybe in financial sectors to improve poverty lines, it would have profound implications on humanity uh, in the larger picture. Like for example, if I have to take an quote few examples in healthcare itself, I've read somewhere that close to $17 billion are being spent on hip artificial hip and knee surgeries, and I was told most of which it was established that most of it could be avoided. So data science plays an important role in identifying these kind of situations and uh, fraudulent and futile practices in trying to eventually reduce the cost which goes into these kind of situations. Well, It's certainly a vast area. Data science is a vast area, and a lot of effort goes in building the models and tuning them and maintaining them to keep it true, especially from the accuracy standpoint. And through this video, what I request and urge all of you is to invest in data science.